What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be opening the Pokemon Tag Team GX Ivysaur 10. Still in the wrapper. So, let's get this opened up. Throw that over there. Oh, man. This thing does not want to open. There's that. It's very anticlimactic. Oh, that's the GX card. Come on. That Ivysaur GX. Let's throw that over there. It's a thick card. And looks like 4 packs to open and that's hefty. That is really, really thick. They're all tag team. Some of them, actually, I lied. Evolutions, Forbidden Light, team up. So, I'm gonna open up this guy. Okay, alright. Featuring my cat. I already saw that grimer, but do split. Ooh. Holographic Joltik. And then Kabutops. Energy card. Trainer Pokemon Communication. Flaffy. Ammonite. That Grimer, you already saw that. Execute. Lavatar. Meowth. Nidoran. And that Joltik again. Next team up. Oh. TCG card. Half split. Flip. Ooh. Holographic Molga. Oh, excuse me. And then a reverse holographic Absol. Energy card. Another Ammonite. Water Memory Trainer card. Gold Duck. Bronzor. Poochyena. And I think back to that. Nope, Nidoran. Pancham. Voltorb. And that, yeah, that Absol, right. Okay. Forbidden Light. Oh, spoiler. Gotta split it in half and flip. Vivillon. Energy card. Oops. Trainer. Fossil excavation map. Zygarde. Doublade. Magnemite. Binnacle. Flabébé. Krogunk. Alright, got the Krogunk here. Clauncher. Ooh, that's a holographic Pacham. Nice. And back to that Pavilion. Looks like we got. We already opened 3. We already opened 3. Evolution. Trading pad. Dang, this one won't open. I just got a double flap. Oh man. Alright, TCG card. And a half split. Ooh, Dugong. Trainer, Slowbo, Spirit Link. Magmar. Trainer, Energy Retrieval. Water covered. Rowlith. Machop. Voltorb. Got a bunch of those. Diglett. Nice. Holographic Yellow Cheek Pikachu. That's cool. I think that's it there. But yeah, that holographic Pikachu's nice. Alright, I think that's it. Good little stack out of that one. My camera would focus. Jeez. The Celebi Venusaur is also pretty cool. Tag team. I like Celebi. It's a good Pokemon. I think that's it for this video. Be sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.